How to change filter in Blood Strike. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Blood Strike and wondering how you can change the visual filter so the game looks brighter, clearer, or easier to see enemies, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Blood Strike game on your device until you reach the main lobby page. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on Settings at the top right corner or the gear button, and from the Settings option, look for Graphics and Audio from the left-hand side menu. Once you do that, scroll down from the Graphics and Audio option and you'll see the Filter option. You can choose between the filter options, go ahead and select them, and once you find the best one for yourself, you can head back to the lobby screen. Now you have successfully changed your filter for the Blood Strike game. Your visuals should feel more comfortable and easier on your eyes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.